also just love that the chainsaw on this is so flimsy. It's so good. Hi!
Welcome back.
Hello, we have returned. Okay. So, we just met the squad. We had some really aggressive sexual violence towards minors. And now we're trapped in a hotel. Did I miss anything?
No.
No, I didn't.
No. Power is being power. Aki had
power.
his brother die.
Aki's brother did get brutally murdered. Also his parents. We didn't talk about the fact that his parents were also in there.
What is this, a fucking Disney movie? No. The brother is more important here.
It's all about family. Except
You could
for
tell his parents liked the brother more than they liked him.
I mean, the brother had a fever.
Oh, boo.
The brother was sick.
Man, if my brother has a fever, I'd be like...
My brother has a sister.
My brother had a fever. My parents would be like, all right, here's your towel. Be good, make sure he's all fine. All right, we're off. Let's fucking go and do other shit.
I mean, fair. So this one is called Kill Denji. I'm sure they'll explain why.
Yes.
I have so many questions. He's our main character, correct?
Okay, yes. I mean, he's already died once.
That's true.
In the title episode.
He died, and then we lost Pachita. And it was a very sad day.
We knew him for but a moment.
We hardly knew ye. But you're so cute that it doesn't matter.
Editing Haley here. Because of things like copyright, you're not going to see much of the episodes. These videos are mostly just me and Oliver talking some nonsense. Apparently my dog has some feelings about this.
Man, if I was there, I would try and break this so much.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this poor girl is struggling.
This is where it gets fucky.
Oh.
It's repetitious in all directions.
Interesting. How do you think you'd react?
Oh, I would try and break the illusion so fast.
Yeah.
There's 5 people. So, going left, going through the rooms is worthless because you could just do it ad nauseum. If you open both the doors, you could technically see ad infinitum.
Yeah.
But if you go up and down the stairs, eventually you'd end up seeing yourself.
If you, looked up.
Well, the stairs don't have a gap.
Terrible architecture. Is it bad to say that I would assume that I just hadn't slept and I would go take a nap and wake up and be
just
like...
sleep in one of the rooms?
Yeah, I'd just be like, there are beds here. I take a nap, and then when I woke up and if it hadn't fixed itself, that's when I'd start doing stuff. I'm on Denji's team! Nap time! You know what? Fuck it. Denji is an amazing main character. I support this man.
8階の階段からどれだけ登っても降りても8階に着く。部屋や窓からは外に出られない。天井を登ってみたが、上も8階だった。
Wait, but if you did that, you'd be able to see your own feet.
Why must you analyze everything with your relentless logic?
アキ君、肉片の反応は？
それが全く反応がなくなりました。
さっきの悪魔をおとりにまんまとはめられたってわけか。
でも俺たちがここからずっと帰ってこなかったら、他のデビルハンターが助けに来てくれるんじゃ。
そのデビルハンターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈るしかないね。
Yeah, I was gonna say, what would stop them from also getting trapped on this floor or another floor?
Exactly this floor.
私たち全員ここで死んじゃうんだ。お腹ペコペコで死んじゃうんだ。
Kobeni, you're right.
There was a B. I was like, I'm pretty sure her name is a B in it.
半分無理やりなんです。風俗かデビルハンターしか選択肢なかったんです。
Great options.
I mean, I feel like Denji was given similar options.
How do you expect a kid to get like $7,000?
power.
小紅ちゃん、悪魔は恐怖が大好物だからね。怖がってたら相手の思うツボだよ。アキくんまでどうしたの？
部屋の時計、さっきから8時18分です。この8回だけ悪魔の力で時間が止まっている可能性があります。その場合
Which means no one will know and no one is coming. Fuck.
It's devious as fuck.
すげえ。じゃあ寝放題じゃねえか。
Why do I vibe with Denji so much? It's stupid to not sleep in it. You're right, man.
You have 3 people napping, and the rest are awake, and just rotate through.
Look,
Guy just fell
look
asleep.
she's literally there with her hands like, what the fuck are you doing?
デンジ君、そろそろ起きて。
8階から出られるようになったんすか？
残念ながらまだ無理っぽい。デンジ君が寝てる間に水と電気は使えることが分かったよ。食べ物は星らしく800
Good
が出
point.
るとき置いていって
Trying to ration the food, I guess.
アキ君はずーっと悪魔探してる。新井君も最初こそアキ君を手伝ってたんだけど、今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる。小紅ちゃんはおかしくなって。
Oh no. What a disastrous, like, panic response.
パワーがどうかしたんです？
わしは暇だからノーベル賞を考えておった。その後はノーベル賞を踏み台にわしは総理大臣になる。手始めに消費税は 100% じゃ。
いつも通りっすね。
ならよかった。
Hey, where does the water go?
I don't know.
Where does the electricity come from?
That's a really good question. Oh my god. So broken.
It's such a weird, like, looking coming in through the window.
Yeah. Like, it almost looks like they're on a balcony.
うぬは落ち着いててつまらんの。今アキ君が頑張ってるから、私はゆっくり休んでていいの。あとニコチンの力。
それあいつと同じタバコじゃん。
そりゃアキ君にタバコの味を教えたのは私だね。
Helpful. Also, why do they show a helium balloon when they're talking about smoking?
アキ君は吸わないの？
骨が腐るから吸わない。
なんで公安来たのか当てたげる。10の悪魔を殺すためでしょ。公安に来る暗めの人は全員そうだから。デビルハンターなんて短命なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
俺は簡単には死なない。
そうしてね。バディが死ぬのは面倒だからさ。
Oh, okay. Why did she get smacked?
They're about to explain.
なんだ今の。
あれは前のバディの彼女さ。悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当たるの。まあそういうのもデビルハンターの仕事のうちだって思うことにしてるけど。何してきたの？
殴ったやつの服にこっそりガムつけてやった。
Is she in love with
あい
him?
つは服についてるガムに気づかず生きていくんだ。
Not really.
Okay.
I think it's like a good friends thing.
Okay.
I don't think.
I feel like every so often when you say, don't worry, they're just friends, the story proves you wrong. Platonically.
杏仁豆腐いらないならもらうぞ。
1本あげる。
骨が腐るから吸わない。
It's bad for your bones. Of all the things that smoking is bad for, the bones is the one you pick.
Could have gone with lungs, could have gone with teeth even.
1本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うタバコはこの1本だけだ。姫野先輩、タバコの。
Incorrect.
Survey says that was a lie.
だね。これ最後の1本。
じゃあそれくださいよ。
しょうがないな。
キスだ。ずるい。関節キスだ。
Till it count as a kiss when it's a nicotine addiction.
悪いニュースがある。そいつがどんどん大きくなってる。
Oh, oh, truly vile. Why?
Don't trust that.
Oh, that was a very cool visual.
Little pan.
Yeah. No.
Cabano, that's a mistake.
Nice. Not a single person flinched.
They're just like action.
She's so wet.
アキ君、狐で飲み込めば終わるんじゃない？
コン、やっぱり狐は来ませんね。
じゃあ私のゴーストでやるか。
Oh, very bad. Oh, ew.
狐でかくなった。
これは私の本体ではない。ここに私の心臓はない。ここは胃の中。私の弱点は8階にはない。私と契約する以外生きては帰れない。
悪魔が使う契約って言葉には強い力があるの。契約を片方が守れば、もう片方も絶対に守らなければならない。
姫野先輩、そいつは殺すべきです。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。
悪魔はデンジを殺したがっている。デンジの死が悪魔側の利益になるんだろう。
じゃあ私も
そんな。
わしは殺す派じゃ。ノーベル賞を思いついても外に出られなければ発表できないからな。
Power doesn't even care.
Power's like, I have my eyes set on the Nobel.
I want the Nobel Peace Prize. Also, Power is the blood devil. She could just be like,
If you're in its stomach, is there some way to get it to, like, throw you up?
アキ君、実際なんか外に出る作戦はあるの？
Like, is there some way to, like, irritate the stomach?
それはダメ。
Oh,
that was
God.
very fast.
どうしようもなくなっても刀は使わない。その時は悪いけど。
デンジ君が死んで。
Like how she's like,
Yeah, the switch to the sweet voice is jarring.
ない。ベッドに置いておいた食料が全部ない。なんで
Power.
全部食べたのか。
わしじゃない。
'twas not me.
すぐバレる嘘。
分かっちゃった。私、分かっちゃった。
Why is this chick so panic ready?
違うが。
落ち着け、コメリちゃん。
She's so.
There's so much stress.
I didn't even realize how much I hated her.
姫？
先輩。
私は恐怖で膨らみ、恐怖に捉えるもの。もっと恐怖しろ。死を恐れろ。全てを加え、チェーンソーを殺すのはこの私。
So really, this is only a problem because of those two's inability to get their shit together.
Correct.
Oh, girl move. Okay. This is less than helpful.
いよいよまずいですよ。そいつを悪魔に食わせましょう。
刀を使う。
いいですよね、姫野先輩。姫野先輩。
その刀を使えば外には出られるだろうけど、使うと契約でアキ君の寿命がかなり。
Interesting that they have this sort of like powerful weapon that, for all intents and purposes, can't be used.
Basically.
Oh, very bad, not good.
Kabeni is just fucking useless.
Yeah,
Can we
Kabeni-
kill Kabeni instead?
So far, Kabeni has done very little to help the situation.
That was a deep stab too.
Yeah,
That
and
was-
like in his ribs,
That's like the rib cage.
like
Ugh.
that's a punctured lung.
Yeah, it went in like two. Yeah, that's not good.
That's a punctured lung.
確かにそいつは刺されても仕方のない胸くその悪い野郎だが、銃の悪魔を殺そうとしている。俺の寿命を減らしてでも天地は殺させない。
パワー、お前血の魔人なんだろ。こいつの血止められるか。
わしが自由に操れるのは自分の血だけじゃ。ちょんまげが死んだら飯を作る人間がいなくなるからな。仕方なくやってやるわ。
Yes, it
As
is.
you're holding a bloody knife.
ああ、はいはい。じゃあ食われてやる。でも俺も抵抗すっからよ。
勝つ算段があるのか。
Are we gonna chainsaw it up? We haven't seen. I feel like we haven't seen the chainsaw in a while.
なんだか知らねえが、俺のチェーンソーにビビってやがる。 それにあの悪魔、攻撃を受けた時に痛いって言ってやがった。だったらよ、あいつが死にたくなるまで痛めつけ。
Yep. Yeah. Yeah, Chainsaw would be uncomfortable.
てめえ、俺をかばいやがって。余計なことすんじゃねえよ、クソが。俺は誰かに借りつくんのもううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸し借りなしだからな。
Is that how we're ending the episode? Okay. That's some cliffhanger bullshit. Thoughts?
We didn't learn much that episode.
No. I mean, we learned that those two whose names I will never remember.
Kobeni.
Kobeni and Ahi?
Well, no, there's Aki, because we know Aki, and there's like Ari.
Okay.
A-R-I, I believe.
Well, those two are not helpful. They're not making any of this easier.
No.
They're in fact making it worse. Who thought Kobeni should have a knife?
I don't know where she got the knife from.
Whoever gave her a weapon should reconsider their choices. Girl's far too skittish to have any kind of weapon. I mean, I appreciate that she doesn't have like a gun or something more like instantaneously fatal. But she literally has like a kitchen knife and is doing some unhelpful shit.
Also, like, what is their like thing? Like, do they have contracts?
I don't know. Well, so she said she either had to become a devil hunter or a sex worker.
Yeah.
And so I would venture a guess that she probably is useless. Like.
So then, what's the point of like my question is, Aki and Hibeno?
Yes.
Eye Patch Lady.
Eye Patch Lady, yeah.
They both have contracts with devils.
Yeah.
Technically, Aki, we've learned, has two, and she's got the ghost. But then, like, why are they there if they don't have any contracts?
Yeah. It's possible that they do have contracts, we just haven't, like, figured out what they are yet.
We've seen them, yeah.
But based on Kobeni's, like, behavior, it suggests that she's probably newish to this. And so, like, if she had a contract, it would be pretty fresh and, like, relevant, I guess, is the best way to put it. Like, it would come up.
Or maybe they're just bringing them along. They can see what it's like, but then why?
But then it's like, Aki and Makima talk about when they set up the squad and how, like, they set up the squad a long time ago because it was experimental.
I'll interrupt you for a second. She's setting up Division 4, which is the experimental one.
Sure.
Power and Denji are technically the only people as part of that division.
Okay.
Aki is a separate division, but he is their supervisor.
Okay, fine. But still...
I was going to say something else. I forget what I was going to say. Oh, Eye Patch Lady.
Yeah.
She says right at the beginning, too, she's like, fear makes devils stronger.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Because that's how they gain strength in the first place.
Yeah.
But my interpretation was that it's fear of that thing. Well, actually... Yeah, that would work.
You do have a habit of bringing up a point and then talking yourself out of said
Yeah,
point.
but because I'm thinking about it, I'm like, he's the eternity devil. So
Sure.
the fear of eternity and foreverness. So my original thought, which I have then thought myself out of, was that I'm like, okay, I'm not scared of this thing. Like, I'm not scared of eternity if I'm these characters at the moment.
Sure.
Right? I don't even know what it is. I'm not scared of it. The point is that they don't know how to get out of it. And that's the growing fear.
Yeah,
of, like,
and I think
do this.
If you, like, look at how they're behaving, the things that they're afraid of are being there forever, no one coming to get them starving to death and being trapped on this floor. Which, like, absolutely feeds into that devil and that devil's power.
When Eye Patch Lady is like, yeah, and like ripping out his face. So I'm like, okay, that wouldn't be scary, but then I'm thinking, I'm like, oh no, it definitely would be, because you'd be like, oh shit, my attacks aren't working.
Yeah, especially when he like explains that it's not his main body, and that in their current setting, there's nothing they can do to affect his main body.
Yes.
That absolutely does feed into the like, oh shit, I could literally be attacking this forever and nothing would change.
Yes.
I also think just like the idea of like, obviously fear is a natural human response to things.
Yes.
And so it's totally normal that these people who are devil hunters and who have experience fear. That totally makes sense. I'm not shaming anyone for that. But if you're full-blown panic attacks. If you're running around stabbing your superiors, maybe somebody somewhere should do like a psych eval to see if this is a job you can handle and do.
It's either this or sex work. See, I would love her character
Yeah.
in, like, It.
Yeah, that would be interesting.
Like, It 2, probably, specifically, where the Pennywise gets all weird.
And where they're like
she
adults.
would just be like, with, like, no idea of what to do next.
But, big question. How would she react to her sink vomiting blood on her? Because that's truly the measure of a character.
She would react poorly in every situation. I'm surprised she's not freaking out at the blood on her own knife after stabbing Aki.
She kind of is. She immediately went, "This isn't my fault."
Yeah.
Which, like, yes, girl, it is.
I'm like,
you did
ah,
this.
shit, it's my fault. Sorry.
Oh no, I fucked up.
It's not great.
It's not great. They're not in a super awesome situation right now. So right now, what's happened? Aki's been stabbed and like fully has a deflated lung.
Yeah.
Like,
Power
there's-
is like trying to like stop his bleeding.
Yeah, Power is trying to use her blood control to like keep him from dying on the floor.
Bleeding out, yeah.
And Denji has jumped
Into
the abyss. How are they gonna get out of this one? Next time on Chainsaw Man.
We do know that it is solved within the next episode because
apparently
the picture is of Eye Patch Lady and Denji celebrating at a bar. So
I guess.
I believe it's also called The Taste of a Kiss or something like that.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
The
I have
Taste of a Kiss.
I have my fears for this upcoming
You know
episode.
exactly what's happening.
I know. Anyway, but yeah, so we're gonna move on to the next one. Feel free to keep watching. We're gonna keep doing this. Like, subscribe, hit all the buttons, do all the things. Yeah. Bye.